What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. Today we're going to be doing an awesome Amaro cocktail, well, a very Amaro forward cocktail anyway, called an Ice-Berg, and not one word, it's actually two words. It's Ice-Berg. It was created by a bartender, pretty well-known New York bartender named Garrett Richard, and he was working at the now defunct Prime Meats in Brooklyn when he did it under also very well-known bartender Damian Bolte when he created this cocktail. He is now running the Exotica at the Rains Law Room in New York City. Exotica is their tiki bar, I guess, and he did this Blue Hawaii riff that we actually made an episode for Patreon of, which is awesome. It was a really good one. I don't know if you guys need any more reason to go to our Patreon, but it was an awesome cocktail. Everybody really loved it. Now, here's the other thing. Today we're going to be doing a blender cocktail, so we want to get that smoothie consistency, that sort of not pebble ice, not crushed ice, smoothie. So what we're basically going to do is we're actually going to take this pebble ice that I made with the Opal machine that we got a little while ago and reviewed, and then we're going to put it into a Lewis bag and actually use our ice mallet, crush it on down into crushed ice, put it in here so we make sure we get an actual exact 1 cup of it, and then that's it. So at the risk of melting all this ice, I just think I'm just gonna get going. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. Just drop that right into our blender. We're gonna do 1 ounce of orgeat, which is almond liqueur, in case you don't know.
No.
I always say almond liqueur for some odd reason. It's almond syrup. Thank you, Marius. You've finally been somewhat helpful to the channel. I really appreciate it. Almond syrup. Sorry, I always say almond liqueur for some odd reason. Maybe it's because I'm just always dealing with liquor. I don't know. Anyway, it is almond syrup, not almond liqueur. Thank you. All right, 1 ounce of Reposado Tequila. We're using El Tesoro. And then we got this awesome Underberg German bitters. This is an herbal German liqueur made for digesting your meals, exactly what an Amaro is, but it's German. It says on the side, Underberg is an herb bitters taken for digestion. It is not a beverage, not to be sipped, but taken all at once and quickly because of its aromatic, strong taste. It is to be also used as flavoring. I guess we're going to be breaking the rules by putting this in a cocktail. Well, we are, but hey, you're welcome, because not that many people know what this is. So you're gonna rip off that, take off the cute little cap. Whoa, that just came off. And then we're just gonna drop that in its entirety into our cocktail. Then, well, save this for later. You'll see why in a minute. We're gonna take some ice and put it into our Lewis bag. Make sure you don't have any linties or anything in your Lewis bag. It is waxed on the inside though, so you shouldn't have any lint. And then we're gonna, now, if you're an aggressive type, this is very, very satisfying. Make sure not to get your fingers. See how we did. Ooh, it's still pretty pebbly. Let's. I think maybe we need to make it a thinner. That is so satisfying. I'm really sorry, but it really is. Crushed yet? Is it crushed? Well, it's getting there. Oh yeah, that's good enough. Some of it's still gonna be pebbles, but that's all right. We want it crushed because we don't want to over dilute. So you get a smoothie consistency a lot easier this way. Got 1 cup. Throw it into our blender. Now let's give it a nice blend. There we go. Maybe a little bit more. we got in the desired consistency? Kind of, yeah. Yeah, I guess. I mean, it should be a little thicker. I might add just a skosh more crushed ice. Just a skosh more. Give it another little whirl here. So you don't want to blend too much because blending actually creates heat from the bottom. So and then we're just going to pour it like a smoothie into our glass. And then the, I don't know why I put the cap back on. The garnish is actually just like an Underberg bottle. There you go, the Ice-Berg. Let's taste this Berg. Oh, yes. So good, I love it. So it is, I'm gonna do this quickly because this is gonna melt and we need to shoot a thumbnail for you lovely people so that when you see the thumbnail, you're like, oh, I wanna drink that. This is like, Underberg has a very, very bitter, very, very, very medicinal herbal taste. You get that, but it is completely balanced with the tartness of the lemon and a little bit of that orgeat. My orgeat recipe has a little bit of rosewater in there, so you can get in those rosewater hints, and the tequila just kind of makes it all make sense. Oh my God, that's so good. I would order 10 of those. Those are so good. So there you have it, my friends. The Ice-Berg. I am going to do this really fast because we got to get going so that we can shoot the thumbnail. If you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe and check us out on Patreon, patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly. Check out our apron sponsor, Staggerly Goods, at staggerlygoods.com, and we have a discount code that would be BarflySLG20 at checkout for 20% off. I will see you guys on another time.